Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill two birds with one stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.